Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to talk to you about multilingualism in Pakistan. How many languages besides English does a typical Pakistani speak and why? Depending on your sources, between 73 and 76 languages are spoken in Pakistan with over 300 dialects. The most common languages are English, Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, and Balochi. To answer the question, I will say that many speak two languages other than English. The reason is that most speak a regional language and then study Urdu and English in school if it is available to them. Urdu is the official and national language used for formal occasions and in government administration. Only about 8% of Pakistanis speak Urdu as their first language. However, a vast section of the population speaks it as their second language. The government of Pakistan has strived to promote the national language of Pakistan to encourage national solidarity. Punjabi is the most popular of the regional languages in Pakistan, mainly spoken in the province of Punjab. Here. It is estimated that 48% of Pakistanis speak Punjabi as a first language. Pashto, the official language of neighboring Afghanistan, also has a significant number of speakers in Pakistan. This language of Pakistan is spoken by over 15% of the entire population of the country. The Pashto speakers are concentrated in northern Balochistan, the federally administered tribal areas or FATA, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa regions of Pakistan or the Northwest Frontier Province. Sindhi is spoken as a first language, primarily by Pakistanis residing in the Sindh province. About 14% of Pakistanis speak this language. Balochi or Baluchi, another provincial language of Pakistan, is spoken by about 4% of the country's population, especially by those residing in the Balochistan province. While many Pakistanis speak several languages, they do not have a first language that unites them. Here I have samples of the writing that we've previously discussed. There's Urdu, Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, and Balochi. Each of these is the translation of the quote, "All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood." This is from Article 1 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. I have two audio samples for you. The first is of this quote in Urdu.
इन्हें एक दूसरे के साथ भाईचारे का सलूक करना चाहिए। तमाम इंसान आज़ाद और हकूक़ व इज़्ज़त के एतबार से बराबर पैदा हुए हैं। इन्हें ज़मीर और अक्ल व दियत हुई है। इसलिए इन्हें एक दूसरे के साथ भाईचारे का सलूक करना चाहिए। तमाम इंसान आज़ाद और हकूक़ व इज़्ज़त के एतबार.
And the second is a sample of it being spoken in Punjabi.
ਮਨੁੱਖੀ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਹਿਮਾ, ਸ਼ਾਨ ਅਤੇ ਹੱਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੱਖੋਂ ਜਨਮ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਆਜ਼ਾਦ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹਨ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸਭਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਰਕ ਅਤੇ ਜ਼ਮੀਰ ਦੀ ਸੌਗਾਤ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਭਰਾਤਰੀ ਭਾਵ ਦੀ ਭਾਵਨਾ ਰੱਖਦਿਆਂ ਆਪਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਾਰਾ ਮਨੁੱਖੀ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ.
Looking at the writing samples, we can see and hear that there are some similarities. The thing that came to my mind researching this topic was the Tower of Babel. It seems like so many languages and dialects in such a small area has caused confusion and divisions among a nation that needs to be united to overcome its many struggles. Thank you.